In this video, we are going to talk about the half hitch tool, the purpose of the tool, and how to execute this technique. Now with the half hitch tool, the reason why you would use this is to complete or finish your fly by placing a half hitch knot at the front of your fly. Now the technique for this is you're going to take your thread, you want to kind of pull it towards you. We're going to wrap the thread up towards the front of the hook. You're going to take your half hitch tool, and if you look at it, it actually has a little bit of a hole in the front. So you're going to place it on top of your thread. You're going to wrap around, and you're going to place that hole right over the eye of the hook, and then place that knot right at the end of that eye. Again, we're going to place our half hitch tool on top of the thread. We're going to wrap around. We're going to move that top of the half hitch tool into the eye of the hook, and we're going to move that thread down. Now I will do this about 4 or 5 times, and then we will be complete. So next what we'll do is just cut this off. And it's always a good suggestion when you're finishing a fly to perhaps use some sort of material or head cement or something that's going to help kind of secure it. Nail polish works as well. And that is our tutorial for a half hitch tool.